video we know about how many bundles of shingles do I need for a 12 foot by 12 foot shed roof. Your question is how to calculate numbers of bundles of shingles required for 12 foot by 12 foot shed roof. As you know that shingles are building material used for roof covering, and the numbers of bundles of shingles required for shed roof are depends on many factors like the dimension of roof and the size of roof pitch, construction requirement, and number and types of shingles per bundles. Here we first draw a rough diagram to understand about the different dimension of the shed roof. First we draw the rough diagram for the shed roof. Here this one is a rough diagram to understand about the different dimension for the shed roof. This one is roof structure layout with the shingles materials, and this one is overhang. And here the size of shed roof is 12 by 12 foot. It means the size of roof is not equal the dimension of roof because due to overhang structure. Overhang will be 1 foot each sides. That's why you add 2 foot dimension in both length and width section. That is 12 foot here, and this one is 12 foot. That's why the size of roof with overhang that will be 14 multiply 14 foot. And if the slope, the roof pitch, suppose the roof pitch that is 6 by 12, it means 6 inch is rise and 12 inch is run. It means for the 6-inch rise the run will be 12 inches, and for the roof pitch also determine the total square footage area of the roof. Just you calculate the square footage area of the roof, that will be 14 multiply 14, this will come about 196 square footage. And for the roof pitch, you remember the multiplier for the roof pitch 6 by 12, that is 1.118. And if you want to calculate the total square footage of roof covering, you just multiply this 196 by this multiplier, and this multiplier is only used for 6 by 12 roof pitch. That is 1.118, and this will come about 220 square footage. And the some shingles are damaged during transportation, storage, and installation. This take about roughly 10% of total square footage is damaged. The 10% of 220 is about 22. Just add this figure 220. This will come about 244 total square footage. It means the total square footage area of 12 by 12 shed roof, that will be approximately 242 square foot. And you have to find out how many bundles of shingles required for 12 by 12 foot shed roof. You know, each bundles of shingles covers approximately 33 square footage area. Remember this one, each bundles of shingles covers about 33 square footage area, and you need to cover here total 244 square footage. That's why numbers of bundles of shingles material require here, you just need to divide 242 by 33, that will come about 7.33, and this around this as equal as 8 bundles. It means you just need approximately 8 bundles of asphalt shingles for covering of 12 by 12 shed roof.